Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're diving into 3 super easy pudding recipes that you can whip up at home. No messing about, just classic techniques and simple ingredients. We're talking creamy vanilla, decadent chocolate, and a banana pudding that'll knock your socks off. Let's get started. First up, the classic, vanilla pudding. This is the one you master, the base for so many desserts. Get a saucepan and whisk together your sugar, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. You don't want to be a donkey now, do you? Make sure it's all properly combined. Now slowly pour in your milk while you whisk continuously. Lumpy pudding is a bloody disaster waiting to happen, and I won't stand for it. We're looking for smooth and silky here. Get that pan on medium heat and keep whisking. It'll take a good 5 minutes, maybe more, for the mixture to thicken. You'll know it's ready when the whisk leaves a trail on the back of a spoon. Take it off the heat and stir in that vanilla extract and a knob of butter. Remember, we're using real vanilla, none of that artificial rubbish. Let it cool down a bit, then straight into the fridge it goes. Patience. It needs to chill properly. Now, for you chocolate lovers, this one's a game changer. We're using the same method as the vanilla pudding, but with a cocoa kick. Get your milk ready and whisk in your sugar, cornstarch, salt, and this time, we're adding cocoa powder. And make sure it's good quality cocoa powder, none of that cheap stuff. Just like before, slowly heat the mixture while whisking constantly. No lumps, remember? You want this chocolate pudding smooth as silk. Keep an eye on it. It'll thicken up faster than you think. Once it's nice and thick, take it off the heat and stir in that vanilla extract and a knob of butter for that luscious shine. Let it cool down a bit before you even think about putting it in the fridge. And trust me, you'll want to let this masterpiece chill properly before digging in. Finally, let's get tropical with a banana pudding that'll send you straight to paradise. Again, same method as before, but this time we're adding a little twist. Get your milk ready and whisk together the sugar, cornstarch, salt, and vanilla. Slowly heat the mixture over medium heat, whisking constantly, you know the drill. Once it's nice and thick, take it off the heat, and here's the game changer. Gently fold in your mashed bananas. You want those beautiful banana pieces throughout the pudding. Let it cool slightly, then into the fridge it goes to chill. This one needs a good chilling to let those banana flavors really develop. And there you have it, 3 delicious and easy pudding recipes that you can make right at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking!